Hello students, tangent and secant to a circle. So we are going to do the problems of exercise 9.2 today. So start with the first question. So please guys watch up to the last video, up to end of the video. So thank you. Start with the first question. Hello students, start with the first bit. Choose the correct answer and give the justification for each. So this is a 9.2 exercise. So first question, the angle between the tangent to a circle and the radius drawn to the point of contact is. So like this he's saying here point is there and here the radius, the contact like this. So this is the 90 degrees it will become. Okay, 90 degrees is the answer. Last class we did the problems 2 and 4 of the 9.1. So same like this only. So second question here. So from a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle from a Q, यहाँ पे point Q. So length of the tangent circle, tangent to a circle, and the distance Q from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is how much? He asking for the radius of the circle is how much he asking. So this is going point like this. The circle is like this. It will come like this. Okay. So here this is the 90 degrees, and this is the 24 degrees, 24 centimeters. This is the 25 centimeters. So Q point 25 centimeters away from this. Okay, center. So total this came. Here Q we write it now. So this is a O, this is a P. So we need to find this radius. Okay, so we know that O is a center here. Okay, O is a center here, and OP is equal to, so OP is equal to base. Okay, OQ is equal to 25 centimeters and OP is equal to, so OP is equal to how much? 24 centimeters. OP is equal to 24 centimeters. OQ here hypotenuse square. OQ square is equal to, OQ square is equal to OP square plus P, this, how much is this? OP square plus OQ square. PQ square. So PQ square is this one is equal to OQ square. This one is equal to, so this one plus this one. Okay. So here OQ means how much? 25 square is equal to OP means OP. So here we don't know OP square is equal to plus PQ square is equal to 24 square. So 24 square will comes here. 25 square plus 24 square is equal to OP square. So here 20 square is how much? 625. Okay, 625. 24 square 576 is equal to OP square. So OP is a radius. OP is radius. So he asked us to find the radius of the circle only. So if you subscribe this, so 49 will become answer. OP square is equal to 49. OP is equal to under root of 49. So 7 7 is 49. It's OP is equal to 7. Radius is equal to how much? 7 is the answer here. This one. Here solution. If AP and AQ are the two tangents to a circle. These are two tangents. Okay, we believe that. So that angle POQ is equal to 110 degrees. Then we have to find angle PAQ is equal to P angle PAQ. This angle we have to find. Okay, so solution here. So in this is a quadrilateral, na? So this is a quadrilateral. So OPAQ. So OPAQ is a quadrilateral. Here angle OPA is equal to angle OPA. So this angle is OPA is equal to, and this angle OQA is equal to OQA is equal to 90 degrees. Here it will come. This is a 90 degrees and this is a 90 degrees. It will become. Okay. So please concentration. This is an important one. So this is 90 degrees and this is 90 degrees. After that, this given that what is given, so angle POQ here given. So angle POQ is equal to 110 degrees here. Okay. So we need to find the total quadrilateral angle is how much? 360 degrees. No. Okay. So this is 90. This is 110. This is how much? 90 degrees. We need to find this one only. So here angle P plus angle O plus angle Q plus angle A is equal to 360 degrees. So angle P you know, angle Q you know, angle 0 you know. So we submit in this 90 plus 110 plus 90 plus angle A is equal to 360. So 90 90 180 180 plus 110. How much? 290. 290. Angle A is equal to 360 minus 290. So answer is 70. So angle A is equal to here 70 degrees. This is the answer. Here, if tangents PA and P are from point of P like this given. So here these tangents P at the P they are intersecting and the center O. So are the inclined means the downward like this inclined, and other angle is angle of 80 degrees, something angle of 80 degrees. So then P angle POA is equal to, and POA is equal to, so O angle he asking, so we can't find this one because so we don't given any other information about this circle. Okay, so this is a none answer here. So fifth question we do, and it will become come here 180 degrees also. So that's why that answer is not given here, that's why it is a none answer. Okay, so in the figure xy, so in the figure xy, so it is a xy and the x1 y1 x dash y dash are the two parallel tangents to a circle. Okay, with the center O and another tangent AB, another tangent AB, this is another tangent AB. So with the point of contact with the intersecting with the C, this is a C here contacting at the circle and intersecting these two lines x and y. So at the and A at the x dash y, A at the xy and B at the x dash y dash. Then angle AOB is equal to asking, angle AOB is equal to asking. So this will become 90 degrees. So see this, it will become, we can write like this. So this is a 90 degrees we can. So this shape only, this type shape only I tried here. So 90 degrees it will come. Answer is 90. So please guys think like this. This is a 90 degrees here. Place this. Okay. So we did these problems in the other classes also. So if any this like this come card way, this will become 90 degrees. We took, if any even in case given in the problem only he will give like 110 or 120, otherwise it will become 90 degrees. So answer is here 90 degrees only. Here second solution is, so second question solution, two centric circles are radius 5 centimeters and 3 centimeters are drawn. So 3 centimeters first we draw, 3 centimeters this one, and 5 centimeters like this. Okay, we draw. So find the length of the chord of the larger circle. So this touches with the smaller circle. So we need to find this chord area. Okay. So this is a 5 centimeters and this is a here 3 centimeters. So solution here, start with the solution. So we take diagram neatly. So larger circle first we draw here and a smaller circle like this. Okay. This is the point where the inner circle and outer circle center. Okay. So it will become 0 O R. Okay. So it is a right here like this it will come, this is a card. Okay, so they are meeting here like this and this is the radius. So we need to find this card value. So radius is how much inner circle, 3 centimeters here, and this is the 5 centimeters. So this is like hypotenuse and this is like base. So solution here, triangle, it form triangle O. We think this is a this is a and B, this is a P. So OPB is equal to triangle OPB is equal to, okay. So we need to find here. So angle OPB is equal to 90 degrees. So P at a place P is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. So OP is equal to how much? Then OP is equal to 3 centimeters and OB is equal to 5 centimeters here. OB is equal to 5 centimeters. So hypotenuse OB is equal to hypotenuse OB square is equal to, so this OP square plus PO square, OP square plus PB square. So OB is equal to how much here? OB is equal to 5 centimeter square. 5 square is equal to OP square is equal to 3 square. So plus PB square. So 5 square 25 is equal to 3 square is 9 plus PB square. So it will come here 25 minus 9 is equal to PB square. So it is 16. PB square is equal to 16 and PB is equal to under root of 16 is equal to 4. So this place is a 4 centimeters and this place also will become 4 centimeters. So here AB is equal to AP plus this one PB. So in this AP also 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay, so AB is equal to 8 centimeters here. The chord of this larger circle is 8 centimeters. Answer is 8 centimeters. So prove that the parallelogram circumscribing the circle is a rhombus. So we take diagram like this. So the circle is like this. Okay, so we take A, B, C and D. So this is the center O. So here P, Q, R, S we take at the meeting point of the circle at the one point like P, Q, R, S. We take like this. Okay. Solution here are proof. Okay. So we need to prove now. So we think that let it is a rhombus is saying na. We think that AP is equal to AS here. So we think that AP is equal to AS. We think that this is one equation. Think that. Okay. So this is rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Okay, rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Then AP is equal to AS. Okay, second one. So BP is equal to. So this BP is equal to PQ. BP is equal to BQ. So think that this is second one. And CQ is equal to CR. Or CR is equal to CQ. CR is equal to CQ. CR is equal to CQ. So this is the third equation. And fourth equation DS is equal to DR. Okay, DR is equal to DS or DR is equal to DS is equal to 4 centimeters. We have to prove parallelogram the circumscribing the circle. Okay, so this is the fourth one. So adding this 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So adding 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 3 4s. If we add them, so these total will come AP plus BP plus CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. It will come like this. So here AP plus BP. So AP plus BP plus and here CR plus DR. CR plus DR. CR plus DR is equal to AS plus BQ. AS plus DS. AS plus DS. Here two are equal. AS plus DS and plus BQ plus CQ. Okay, BQ plus CQ. So these total these points these are all AB plus BP is equal to AP plus BP is equal to AB plus CR plus DR is equal to CR. Where is the CR? CR plus DR is equal to CR plus DR is equal to how much? CD. Okay, or DC. So AS plus DS is equal to AS plus DS is equal to AD or DA. So BQ plus CQ. BQ, where is the BQ? BQ plus CQ is equal to BC. Okay, so AB is equal to this CD only na. Okay, so AB is equal to here CD we can write it as because it is a parallelogram. So here CD is equal to we can write it as AB. So AB plus AB is equal to here we can write it as BC is equal to AD. BC is equal to AD. So this is BC is equal to AD also we can write or AD is equal to BC. So AD plus AD here. So this 2AB is equal to 2AD. So 2 get cancelled. AB is equal to AD. So AB is equal to so this AB these sides are also equal. So these sides will be also equal. So this is a parallelogram. It's subscribing the circle here. Okay. So therefore AB triangle ABCD is a quadrilateral. So quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Okay. So this is a up to three questions. First bit and second, third questions are, and we will discuss other classes in next other questions in next class. 4 to there is 9 questions now. These total questions we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you, students.